Hello, this is a very short video about coronavirus. As you know, we are in very dangerous situation, but still we can have hope. So, just stay home and just wash hands and just have hope. 頑張りましょう。はい。で、about coronavirus. We say コロナウイルス as coronavirus in Japan. And we write in katakana コロナウイルス And if you check stay home on Google says 家にいる But this is just dictionary form 家にいる So 家にいる doesn't have the meaning we should stay home. And if you check 家にいる the command form, some app says 家にいろ This is right, but it's really rough. It's like a master and dogs. 家にいろ can. So I don't recommend using 家にいろ I recommend using 家にいましょう If you watch my video on Pitch Verb Pitch Accent Part 3, you can find this expression 家にいましょう Stay polite, let's 家にいましょう This is best. So I recommend using this expression 家にいましょう as we should stay home when you chat with your Japanese friends on iTalki or Skype or HelloTalk, HiNative, many apps. So 家にいましょう手を洗いましょうはいメガネも洗いましょう Stay safe and take care and wash your hands and boost your immune system はいそんなわけでした家にいましょう That's all for this video. See you!